Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
Oil prices steadied after sinking to their lowest level this year, as US production and gasoline inventories ticked up at the same time concerns grew that economic slowdowns would weaken fuel demand. World stocks slid further and Treasury yields weakened as US worker productivity data beat forecasts, but extended a weak trend, further muddying a debate on how far and how fast US interest rates will rise. Coinbase Global CEO Brian Armstrong said the company's revenue will be half or less what it was last year, as the crypto exchange struggles amid stark price drops in cryptocurrency prices and continuing ripple effects from multiple bankruptcies this year, including the recent collapse of rival exchange FTX. The euro-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 2.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The stochastic indicator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.6% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. Finland's industrial output will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The Austrian industrial production at 0800 hours GMT, the US producer price index at 1330 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The UK's consumer inflation expectations at 0930 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.